Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be unboxing my brand new 13.3-inch MacBook Pro. So I did go ahead and open up the box here. If you can see, I opened up the box. So let's just dive into it. So upon opening the box, you can see that we have the MacBook Pro tucked in this brown box. You open these two flaps here. Let me switch my light. So you open these two flaps here, and then you grab here, bam, just like that, and it comes open. Voila, revealing the MacBook Pro box. Let's go ahead and take that out. Bam. Get rid of this. Guess we can do a little magic to get rid of this. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was quick. All right, boom. So upon opening our box for our new MacBook, we can see that they have a picture of the MacBook here, just showing off some of the colors and everything. The box is pretty sturdy. This box is pretty sturdy. You have the Apple MacBook, the Apple logo here. And then we have a brief description on the back of everything. This MacBook here is 256 gigs, 8 gigs of unified memory, so on and so forth. It has the M1 chip. I did actually get this one so I could edit videos and stuff like that. So the M1 chip is very important. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and open it. So to open our MacBook Pro, bam, we have a little tab here. It says pull it down this way. So let's go ahead and do that. Bam. Go ahead and pull it all the way around. Bam. And it just wants to go ahead and pull the rest of the plastic off. Set that to the side. If you guys are wondering what's going on, this is my home studio here. I make music because I am an artist. So this is a new addition to my studio, aka my new tax write-off. Haha. Bam. So let's go. So to open it, you have to kind of go around the ledges here. So let me go ahead and work my magic. There we go. Bang. Set that to the side. So this MacBook, they have an option to go with space gray or silver. I chose to go with the space gray because it is a little darker than the silver, and I like darker hues. So to get your MacBook out, they have a little tab here that you can pull. Go ahead and pull that tab up. And upon getting your MacBook out of the box, you can see that underneath the MacBook, you have your cord here for charging. Let me turn it this way. Have your cord here for charging. And then you also have designed by Apple in California. Let's see what this is. I think this is just a little menu here. Show you what your computer's for. Sometimes they give you a sticker in these. MacBook Pro. Yeah, this is just your menu showing you everything. The keyboard, touch bar ID, showing you the touch bar, force touch trackpad, system preferences, dock finder, menu bar, FaceTime, spotlight control center, Thunderbolt, USB for and everything else. So there you go, you have that. And hey, as I once stated, they always give you Apple product stickers, which are pretty cool to me. It does smell so brand new, kind of like not a new car smell, but a new product smell, if that makes any sense to you all. So, okay, sitting up under our menu book is our charging post for our new charger for our computer. So it is wrapped in some type of, I don't know what to call it, little plastic or whatever, but we'll wait to take that off later. You guys aren't worried about that. You just want to get to the good stuff. So let's do that. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, then. We have our new MacBook Pro out of the wrap. And then let me take you on a little tour of the color. Now this color, I like this color. It's not that light. That light gray color is like it's a dark gray color. So it's just called a space gray. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it's like on the inside. Just my light in here. So to open it, you just grip here, right here. They have a little groove here. Let me get that. Oh, okay. So before we take off the paper here, you can see that it's going ahead and loading up for the first time. So bam, we have our touch bar here. Ooh, hello. Let me take this out. Okay, so upon opening, we see it saying hello in different language. Hello, bonjour. It's hello in a bunch of different languages. I'll give you a little preview of that, let you see what that's like. Just in case you are in another country watching this video here. And once again, this is the MacBook Pro M1 13.3 inch. Hola. Hey. All right. So that is that. So immediately moving along, what we have here is our touchpad. This is the touchpad. Let's see. You touch it. You have your brightness settings for your screen. Let's see. You have your brightness settings for your screen. Here you have your brightness settings for your lights that are on your computer. Hold on, I'll show you those. Let me turn the light off. You have your brightness settings for your for your actual keys here. Let me turn those up. Boom. So you can turn the light and settings for the keys up. And then here you have your volume up, down, and off as well. All right, let's get back into. All right, then here we have our touchpad button here. And then we have our trackpad, which is here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
All right, let me get all of this set up here, and then we'll hop back into it. All right, well, this is pretty self-explanatory. I have my Mac here, my brand new MacBook Pro and my old MacBook Air, and I'm transferring the information from here to the next one. So this is going to take a little minute, but since we're in the digital world, It'll just take 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody. As y'all can see, I have my MacBook Pro set up. Have my background. All of my files are here. I have all of my equipment and stuff hooked up. So, hey, thumbs up to a new beginning. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and of course, tune in to more episodes of The Low Show. We out.